Hi everybody, so I'm just going to walk you through these two questions here about the marijuana poll. So this is a real Gallup poll from October 2013, so a little while ago. But at that time, 58% of the general population were in favor of legalizing marijuana. So the question is, estimate the margin of error at a confidence level of 95%. So what we need to do is take the sample size, which is 1040, right? Now if you look at your formulas, you'll see the margin of error is approximately 100 over the square root of n, where n is the sample size. So I'm just going to use this Desmos calculator, DESMOS. It's a free online calculator that you can also use if you want to. So I go 100 over the square root of 1040, okay? And I get 3.10086 approximately to the nearest, as a percent rounded to one decimal place, that is 3.1%. Okay, so we estimate the margin of error to be 3.1%, 3.1, right? And so then the next question is, this means that we are 95% confident that between what percent and what percent of the general population think marijuana should be legalized at that moment in time, which is October 2013, right? So we take the 58%, okay, that's what we found from the poll, and we add 3.1 and then subtract 3.1. So if I go 58 subtract 3.1, I get 54.9, and if I go 58 and I add 3.1, I get 61.1. So what this poll really tells us is that the population's opinion is somewhere between 54.9 and 61.1. Okay, so about 55 and 61, but this says give your answer percentage rounded to one decimal place, so that's what we'll do, 54.9, 61.1. Okay, and that of course is if the 1040 people were a good representation of the general population. So for example, if all of these people were aged 25, they may, that would not be a good poll. That would not be a good representation of the average of the general population. Or if they were all aged 85, that would also not be a good representation. So we've got to take, these polls need to take all types of demographics into consideration. So they have to have a mix of ages, a mix of genders, a mix of backgrounds and class and I'll just put a mix of all types of people in there, right? And also, so in the poll there was 1040 people, so what that means is if I go 0.58 times 1040, 1040, I get 603. So 603 people out of the 1040 said they were in favor of legalizing. And if I go 1040 and subtract 603, I get 437. So 437 said they were not in favor of legalizing marijuana. Okay.